Hello, welcome to this video, and this is my second, second video of learn English, speak English in 30 days. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about anything random because I didn't prepare for any script. So I'll try to just explain things. So I just love this flower. I love purple color. It's not my favorite color. My favorite color is red. This is the purple color, and which is someone's favorite, I know. So he's not my boyfriend. Forget about that. So this video is going to super fun because it's not because what I'm going to say, because the environment, and I love recording my videos at this place because this place is so beautiful. A lot of green color, which is I like the most, and also the nature sound, the bird, and a lot of beautiful sound like nature sounds. So I forgot that I need to keep the mic near to my mouth. And there are some beautiful trees, like this is guava tree, and there is hibiscus tree, and just right next to it is lime tree. I can show you around because I have a physical disability. I already told you, and I don't like to repeat it again. I feel bad, not for that, but I don't like to repeating things. And this place is good, but just a little bit smelly, like sometimes some bad smells, like something like gross. And because it's monsoon, so it's understandable. And here's also, but it's extreme heat also. Like I'm sitting in the sun, so it's not so suitable to sit here. Of course, it's not suitable to sit in the sun in summer. But still, I'm managing it, and still, this place is beautiful. So let's talk about, like, these days I'm not feeling so energetic. I just snatched myself to record this video because my dad is not feeling this these days very well. He's a little bit sick. So in this kind of situation, you feel like your energy drained and you feel a little bit low. But I snatched myself to record this video because I think that is important also. So I'm not feeling that much good, but still finding the courage to record this video. So, and I'm just also doing, or what I'm, let's talk about what I'm doing these days. So, I'm trying to understand the YouTube's algorithm and trying to learn some more editing skills, and also trying to learn what can make you engage with my videos. And there are a lot of things I'm learning, and I'm also learning British accent and African American vernacular English accents. And also I'm planning to learn Chinese or any other language. I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to learn. And these are the water duck, kind of say. Like, these are not ducks, but they mostly live in water, stay in water. So you can hear the sound. If you know what this bird call, just please let me know in the comment. So this video is just raw, natural, without any script, without any pre-planning, and without any lot of my self filter that I try to put to sound very good, or try to sound very like professional. It's it's free from all of that. It's just a raw. So I hope someday I'll able to show you some of my English practices routine. I don't practice English that much actually. I really don't. I only watch, listen, like watch and listen at the same time. And also I do a little bit of writing, not for my English practice, but for because I have to write for my YouTube videos, and also some captions and stories. Engaging I'm always engaged in these kind of activities. And I'm also writing a book. I don't like to share it before I complete it, but I just share it now. I'm writing a book, and it's only just only 10 pages left to complete it, actually, what I'm trying to say. So I hope I'll share this with you soon. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Sometimes you fumble in very embarrassing way, but I just don't want to cut this part. I just don't want to cut this video split from any, and I don't want to remove any part of this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I don't know how, sometimes I think I'm strange, that's why people don't connect with me, don't feel engaged. Is that something like that? like I feel like that I don't sound like other people, which is good. I don't like to be everyone, I like to be myself. Well, let's wrap up this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And of course, it's not too bad. I deserve your subscribe. So I'll see you in another one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you.